Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with regular recipe. Many of you had asked us to share this recipe of dal fry, also known as dal tadka, and here it is. Though its name says fry, but there is nothing fried as such in this. It has simple flavors, can be served anytime for prasad. This dal fry doesn't require any extra ingredients but can be prepared from the things available easily in your pantry. So let's begin. So for dal fry, take 1 cup of toor dal in a bowl, also known as arhar ki dal. Add water and wash it for 2 to 3 times. No need to soak it, transfer this into a cooker. Into this add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 chopped green chilli and 1 small chopped tomato. Add 4 to 5 cloves. Add 3 cups of water. So ratio is 1 cup of toor dal and 3 cups of water. Cover the lid and cook it for 2 whistles on low flame only. Do not overcook it. It has been half an hour. The cooker has cooled. Let's check. The dal has cooked enough. Now heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan or kadai and add 1 tablespoon of oil also. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Let it flutter. Keep the flame low only. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoitida or hing. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 inch chopped ginger, 2 chopped green chillies. Saute it on low flame and make sure to do not burn the chillies. Next add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Add salt as per your taste. Mix and saute it until the ghee releases. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the ghee has released and tomatoes has sauteed. Add half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it. Next add the boiled dal. And 1 cup of water. Mix it. In this dal fry you can see there are chunks of dal. These are not uncooked. That is why we boiled it for 2 whistles only. So total we have added 4 cups of water. 3 cups when we boiled the dal and another 1 cup here. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, you can see the dal is boiling. And this is the perfect consistency of dal fry or dal tadka. Let's temper it. Turn off the flame. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Let it flutter on low flame. Add 2 dried red chillies. Fry it until they turn crispy. This is done, turn off the flame. Immediately add half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix and pour it into the dal. Quickly cover the lid for 1 minute. After 1 minute, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. With this, our dal fry or dal tadka is ready. You can serve this dal fry or dal tadka with jeera rice. I have already shared jeera rice recipe and its link is in the description box below. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Srila Prabhupada says, so offering what we eat to the Lord is an integral part of Bhakti Yoga and makes the food blessed with spiritual potencies. Then such food is called Prasadam or the mercy of the Lord. If you like Prasad recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.